Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some HEMA-free gel polishes from Sundara Nails, and one of the colors here I'm super excited about is Luna, and it is part of the Crystal Cat Eye collection, and it's a beautiful silver pearl gel polish, and it has that cat eye effect, and it is so pretty and hypnotizing in the bottle, and I love the packaging. And then we're going to be using this magnet today, and we're going to be making a set of press-ons, and the shape that you see there, they are the Sundara Nail Jelly Tips in the shape Almond. I love Sundara's jelly tips. I tried so many, but I keep going back to the Sundara ones. They're just super comfortable, and the shape and the sizing is very consistent, and with all the shapes, so depending if you go from almond to square, I feel like the numbering of the jelly tips are the same all around when it comes to the Sundara nail jelly tips, which I really like that. So I like to bounce around between the almond, and then I'm obsessed with the short coffin. And I love making press-ons with the jelly tips because I feel like they're just so comfortable, and I really like how they are thin and the consistency, but yet still strong enough to protect my natural nail, and I don't have to worry about these popping off or anything like that. Even though they are a thinner consistency, they are still strong. So I don't know what kind of magic are in these jelly tips, but they are my favorite. So the first step after we went in with that gel base and cured it for 30 seconds, I'm going in with this amazing black gel polish called Phinx, and it is amazing. This is one coat that we're doing today, and it is by far the most pigmented black gel polish I've ever used, and you could totally get away with one coat, and it's not going to be streaky or anything like that. And this gel polish is also perfect for any nail art that you might be doing, and it is also HEMA free, so that's another plus. But I love this black gel polish. I use it all the time. This color and fluffy clouds are definitely a staple color. So let's dive into this Crystal Cat Eye gel polish, and look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That silver pearl, I just love it, and I had so much fun applying this to the nail because it was very hypnotizing, and how it just glided onto the nail. I can't really describe it, but it was a whole nother experience of pretty glitterness. And if you are somebody who likes glitter and holographic shiftiness, this is going to be the gel polish for you. So I'm just making sure that I'm applying a nice coat to that nail. And then you do not want to cure this gel polish. You want to go ahead with your magnet, and there's tons of different designs you can do with a cat eye gel polish, but I just wanted to really focus on the sides of the nail, like you can see there, because I really still wanted a lot of that shimmeriness in the background, but I wanted the sides to not have a lot of that shimmer and the free edge. So that's why I'm focusing the magnet, as you see, more on the side walls and the free edge of the nail. Now there's totally different ways you can play with this. You can make designs in the middle of the nail. I even saw some magnets that create like stars and heart shapes. I've never tried those before, but they look very interesting. I've saw them on Amazon. If you tried any shape magnets, let me know, because I'm definitely intrigued by the whole cat eye thing, and I'm kind of in love with the effect that it gives to the nail, and it's pretty effortlessly, and I feel like you could do a lot of things with these gel polishes. Now if this silver color in black is not your jam, there are a lot of different colors. I think there's 8 total. Yeah, there's 8 total, and there is a gorgeous red one, a vibrant blue, there's even a nude one, there's even just like a pearl one without the silver, which I love that about it. There's a teal, and then there's a pink. So options are endless when it comes to the cat eye, and I feel like it's really pretty, especially for like the spring, and kind of if you're into like the galaxy kind of nails, this is a really easy way to achieve that look. So I'm just finishing up with that last pinky nail there, and you could see, like, isn't it fun watching this color over that black gel polish and then the magnet? It's super like hypnotizing to watch that gel polish just kind of form together to create this really pretty overall shifty goodness. So then I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then we're going to add some gems to this nail. So I really like how this looks. You could totally leave the mani as is, or you could jazz it up with these little gold stars that we're going to be using. And I got this kit off of Amazon, and I will go ahead and link everything that we're using in today's mani in that description box below, including everything that you need to create your own press-on sets. So to finish up this mani, I'm going to go ahead and apply gel top coat all over the entire nail, and I am not going to cure that. And then I'm going to use a wax tip to pick up that little star gem, and I'm going to go ahead and place that first one, the larger one, in the middle of the nail. And I'm just trying to get it as straight as possible. It was definitely fighting me, so I'm going in with my finger now and carefully moving that gem around without getting any product on my finger. And then I'm going to go ahead and keep adding some of those smaller stars to the nail, and then that is it. So I like to go ahead and apply the gel top coat to the entire nail first, and then use that as my adhesive for these gems. Now I did wear this mani for about 3 days, and I did not have any problems with losing any of those stars or any lifting at all. They are still on there, because what happens is I'm going to cure that now, and that's what's going to hold those little star gems in place. But if I went ahead and put the gel base, or sorry, top coat over that after I cured it, to seal in those stars, the stars would not look as crisp and clean as you see here on the nail. They would look like they were coated with gel. So that's what I used to adhere these little stars, is just placing the top coat over the entire nail before curing, and then hand placing those stars and then curing it for 60 seconds. And then this is the finished mani. I love it so much. I think it's super pretty, and it's definitely giving me that starry night sky with those little stars, and the cat eye polish is really pretty, and it looks all different in all kinds of lighting. So this is indoor lighting, and you could see that color shifting, but outdoors you're going to get a whole nother look, and it's really pretty when the sun hits these cat eyes. I'm going to be playing with some different designs with these cat eye polishes, and I'm really excited to try some other looks, so stay tuned for that. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.